Hey, what's going on? I got a Minotaur Trading Company mystery box and I'm gonna open it, see what's in it. I've looked at a couple other reviews and have seen what's in them, so we'll see if this is comparable. Maybe it's a winner, maybe it's not. And what deems a winner? I don't know. I'm looking forward to maybe some sutures because I'm accident prone and I like to self-heal. And just kidding, I go to the doctor like normal people. Maybe a tactical spork too, those are pretty cool, but I don't want to pay 75 bucks for a tactical spork. But if I get one, great. If not, then whatever. Anyhow, let's get this review underway. I'm expecting a lot of peanut butters, a lot of pizza. Oh, well, that's a winner right there, eh? A Czech Army mess kit. Always use one of those. Lentil stew with ham. Tasty. Cheese tortellini. My vegetarian wife will appreciate that. Hardtack, the meal of soldiers from before the beginning of time. A high energy, high calorie survival food bar. Mystery tin, I'll open that in a minute. Alright, I got 4 crackers, a heater meal. It is green pepper steak with rice. Somewhat resembles vomit on the picture, but I'm sure it's pretty good. Instant white rice. Whipped topping that is in powder form. You gotta add water to it. Ooh, country gravy mix. Chocolate shake. Oh, I got more crackers. And I got 2 Pop-Tarts. Although it says toaster pastry frosted brown sugar. It's a Pop-Tart. Come at me, Nabisco. Cherry drink mix. Got a triangular bandage. Mocha dessert bar. ×2. Some tortillas. Sugar cubes. Oh god, the government's coming for me. Either that or it's Nabisco. That was pretty quick. Okay, got beverage base orange powder. Strawberry dairy shake powder. Pork sausage patty. Vegetable lasagna. Chili mac. Pork sausage patty. Chili and macaroni. Chili mac. Orange flavored juice drink. Holy Jesus. Okay, here we go. Cheese spread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cheese spreads, another cracker, apple jelly, peanut butter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peanut butters, 3 apple jellies, some Western barbecue spice, aqua tabs, almost as good as a spork, a tactical razor blade. I'm sure I'll cut myself with that later. And the mystery tin is empty. It's a tin, you can put whatever you want in it. So there you go, folks.